The process of obtaining a green card through family-based and marriage-based immigration. What is the advantage of obtaining a green card through family-based and marriage-based process? The green card process can take several months to years, depending on the category of application and individual circumstances. Understanding the timeline and requirements can help applicants prepare effectively for their journey to permanent residency in the United States. Family-based immigration involves filing Form I-130, petition for alien relative, and demonstrating a qualifying family relationship, with priority given to immediate relatives and then to family preference category, which is subject to annual numerical limits. A marriage-based green card is an immigrant visa available to the spouses of U.S. citizens and permanent residents. The process of applying for a green card through marriage is a lot of work, and you need to be financially ready. The U.S. citizen or green card holder petitioner need to travel overseas to visit the person they want to marry. It is one proof that immigration will consider if you visit time to see each other and create memories before getting married. It is also important to understand that polygamy or marriage to more than one person isn't recognized under federal law. There are a few requirements that the petitioner or sponsoring spouse must meet to apply for a marriage-based green card. The sponsor must be lawfully married to the beneficiary. The sponsor must pledge to support their spouse. The spouse cannot work in the U.S. right away when they arrive. They will need to wait for their work permit, apply for Social Security number, and start the green card application. Family-based immigration allows American citizens and lawful permanent residents to sponsor visas for specific family members. This can ultimately lead to permanent residency. Family-based green card: if you are already a U.S. citizen and have a parent or parents that are not, it will allow you to petition your parents and apply for a green card. Having a green card or a legal permanent resident status means that as long as one has not been convicted for specific criminal offenses, one can live in the U.S. indefinitely. It offers the most secure legal status, second only to citizenship. Immigrants can earn it in a variety of ways, many of which can take years. USCIS prioritizes family petition green card and has granted almost 480,000 annually in recent years. Processing time averages between 10 and 17 months, although this was much longer at the start of the pandemic due to presidential green card bans and federal worker shortages. The United States immigration system is designed with two goals. Number one, to prioritize familial reunification, and number two, to attract highly skilled workers to the United States. Spousal visa recipients receive admission to the United States as permanent immigrants as part of the familial reunification goal, but they bypass the selection process associated with a preference-based system because immediate relatives of the United States citizens are given special priority in the visa allocation process.